Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we will talk about what are assertions and how to assert page title in Selenium. So let's get started. First we see what are assertions. Assert command verifies that the state of application is same to what are we expecting. It checks whether first element is present in other element or not. If present, this assert command will get passed, else it will get failed and raised assertion error. In case of assertion error, test is aborted right away. We usually assert page title to see we are on a correct page or not. Let's see how to assert page title. Inspect element here, right click, then click on this inspect. And now in DOM, go to head tag. You will find head tag in start here, expand it, and now find title tag under this head tag. Here is the, where is it? Yeah, here is the title tag, and welcome to Python is the title of the page. Let's assert it to see correct page is loading or not. I'm gonna bring up my PyCharm. Here I have already created a class assert page title, and I have initialized the Chrome browser. As Chrome browser requires Chrome driver path, so I have saved it in a variable and passed this variable while initializing the browser. Here I have added the Python website URL which I want to use to assert title text. You can use any URL here. Here I have called the class and then call the function which needs to be run. We use assert to check text. So let's add it here, assert, and add text here, welcome to Python, and then add in and self.driver.title. Title is a property of Webdriver class, and see, I have added a partial text here, not a complete text. So you can add welcome to and exclude this Python text as well. Let's print here, print, and we are on a correct page. And let's run code. And see, it's working fine. Statement has been printed out here. Let's see by removing this Python here, and I'm gonna add self.driver.quit to quit the browser. Let's run it again. And yeah, it's working fine and statement has been printed out here. It finished with execute 0. So that's about this tutorial, and thanks for running this one. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.